Give me a ride.
Hi to our vlog.
Hi. Dale me gusta y suscríbete.
In this vlog, we meet this wonderful couple who helped us find some places to visit in Ninh Binh. And then we had coffee, and later our fellow hosteler shares her hitchhiking experience in Vietnam. So watch the full video. This whole building is for Saigon coffee. It's quite, I think it will be quite expensive. Hey, you know, this whole place is for only coffee.
India. India. You know India?
Oh.
Yeah. That's it here?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. What is this?
Iced tea? What is this? What is this?
Green tea. What is this? What is this?
No. What is this? What is this?
Coffee, tea. What is?
Expect. Nước trà.
Cha. Tea.
Tea.
Indian tea. Okay.
Okay.
Just 2 minutes.
Give 2 minutes. We'll tell you.
Yes.
This here.
Cool. Yeah. Here.
इते remove करायला.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay.
Huh?
Yes.
Ah.
Yeah.
Can you,
Run.
Wait.
Okay. Run. Yeah. Coffee.
Oh.
Yeah.
देखो ना.
Where? Video.
This coffee.
Coffee, đúng rồi.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Very kind and hospitable.
Bye.
एकदम love करते हैं.
India.
India. Huh?
India.
Huh?
No.
India. No. Bangalore. Near Mumbai. Near Mumbai. Bye. So we just made a new friend in our hostel. Her name is Kelly. She's from Colombia, and she just told us her story of how she hitchhiked from Hanoi to Ninh Binh, and I would like you guys to hear the story from her. So how did you travel from Hanoi to Ninh Binh?
Hitchhiking?
Hitchhiking.
Yes. I have my, how do you call this?
Bag.
The sign.
The
Yeah,
sign.
right?
Oh, you have sign also.
Yes.
It's
because
Oh.
I tried without sign, and it's very hard.
Oh, you
But
because
here
you wrote
people-
in Vietnamese.
I write give me a ride, but in
English?
Vietnam. No.
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese. Okay.
And then in
People stop.
yes, and they asked me where are you going? And I said Ninh Binh. Oh, I put in the same
The location
sign.
also.
Yes,
Yeah.
but small. Yeah.
Oh.
And I asked them if they are going close, not necessarily here.
Same location.
Yeah, but they can give me a ride and then take another. Yeah.
Oh,
other
so
person.
do you think it's safe? What would you say to the viewers? Is it safe?
In this country, yes, but
Not all the countries.
yeah, definitely. You have to be very
Cautious.
Yes.
You have to check the Google Maps.
Yes, and like I don't know how to say that, but try to feel the person. You know?
Okay.
Like,
Oh, try to
Psychology.
psychology.
Yeah, but like look, the attitude, and how.
You have to
Yeah,
assess
because-
the person if
yeah,
they're
when-
trustable or not.
Yes, exactly.
Plus, she have Google Map downloaded
Offline.
offline.
Also, guys, she is traveling to. She has been traveling all around Vietnam for almost 30 days, right? She does not even have a Vietnam SIM.
Yeah.
She uses local Wi-Fi and uses public bus and she uses Google Translate offline.
She is the real
traveler. She
Thumbs
is
up
very
to her.
inspiring. Kelly, her story is very inspiring. I will probably link her Instagram in the comment section below. So
She
her
won't allow
story,
you.
her story is really inspiring, and now she's saying that someone gave her this helmet also that will help her to hitchhike, and she will probably go from Ninh Binh to Hanoi by hitchhiking again, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so
I
she's
did-
very brave.
Yeah, I did that in Laos, but in Laos it's so hard. It's really, really hard.
Because of communication or any other problem?
Yes, for communication, and because the people are not used to do that. They don't know about that, so it was very
Here,
hard.
I think it's easier, right?
Yes,
Oh.
yes, easier than Laos, but yeah,
Oh, in Laos also you hitchhiked?
yes.
Oh. Okay, so you have to be very cautious and have to check the Google Maps regularly and have to assess the person if they are trustable, if you can trust it. So I was just asking her, what if the person take you to any other route or other road? Then she said, I always check Google Map, and if I feel something is off, then I tell that person to drop me off, right? That's nice. Very.
Yes.
And
For example, when in Laos, it was in Laos, I was in a van with an old man. He was kind at the beginning, but then he started to ask a lot of personal questions about if I am married and then you are so beautiful, and he
Started flirting. Oh,
something like, I feel like that.
Oh.
I don't know, but I feel like that. Then third point, I didn't feel so comfortable. I didn't feel so comfortable, so I said I need to go to the bathroom, just like this. And he stopped. Then I took my bags, and I said, okay, I will be here. Bye bye. And that's it. Yeah. Yeah.
Nice plan.
Because
So
I
for
didn't-
bathroom, he won't be like saying no, right?
Yeah, so I didn't feel comfortable, and
that was in Laos.
yeah.
Oh, okay. That's very brave and courageous of you to travel in this way. And
Crazy,
I think last night Kelly and both of us were having almost 1 hour conversation. Obviously, those were not recorded. So we had a conversation of how she has been traveling for the last 6 months. So she has quit her job 6 months back, and she has been traveling since. She has been to
now
India.
she's going back to India. So
Yeah, she's
I
going
hope
to
we'll
India.
meet.
I hope we meet. I told Kelly that, Kelly, if you ever come to Bangalore, do contact me and we can meet. Right? In Bangalore, we'll explore together. So she has been traveling for the last 6 months, and she is the real hardcore, authentic traveler. She hitchhikes, she stays in hostel, she uses the public
Wonder,
transportation, and also she likes local food, talks to people, make friends, and everything
And she loves
spontaneous.
roti.
Yeah, and she loves
Yeah,
roti.
I
Yeah,
love
tell your love,
roti.
profess your love of roti to the Indian audience.
Yeah, I love everything food in India.
You love Indian food. Indian
Yeah,
food
more.
better than Colombian food?
It's difficult, but it could be.
It could be.
In our next vlog, we are going to explore Lying Dragon Mountain and much more. So stay tuned.
Dale me gusta y suscríbete.